Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term BBG. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, BBG is an affectionate abbreviation for baby girl. People use it when texting or talking to close friends or romantic interests. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. BBG first showed up in African American vernacular English and became popular in texting during the early 2010s. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among young people and social media users. Now let's check out how to use BBG in a sentence. Correct example 1. She texted me, "Hey BBG, are we still on for dinner tonight?" Correct example 2. BBG, you're killing it with those dance moves. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said BBG at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using BBG right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. BBG means an affectionate term, baby girl. It started in African American vernacular English, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with BBG in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.